Guys, it's me, Mother Dove Green River. What's going on? Thought I'd give you a little update on the birds and me. I know I sound a little more worse than the past couple of days, and it turns out to be a sore throat than a cold. It's kind of crazy. I took some medicine this morning. I took a 2-hour nap, got up, just really tired. I don't know why. What's going on, birdie birds? I'm drinking a can of mist right here. Yeah. Oh, man. I don't know what's going on my throat. It bothers me when I cough a little bit. But I don't have trouble swallowing or anything, if you're wondering. Hopefully everybody's having a good day so far. Talk to you later. See how I feel later. Bye.